To automatically enable driving mode when your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra connects to your car audio, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap driving. Tap turn on automatically. Under suggested condition section, tap Bluetooth device. Tap device. Select your car audio. And then make sure to set it to connected. Tap done button. And then tap done button again to save the change. By doing this, your Bluetooth car audio has been added as one of the driving mode condition, which means when your phone is connected to your car audio, your phone will automatically enable driving mode and apply its setting. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.